Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Wix affiliate commissions to US Bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw your Wix affiliate commissions to a US bank, start by logging into your Wix affiliate account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments section. In the Payments section, locate the Withdraw option. Click on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. Next, you'll need to select your preferred payment method. For US bank transfers, choose the Direct Bank Transfer option. Now, enter your bank account details. Make sure to include your account number and routing number. Double-check that all the information is accurate. Once confirmed, specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Review any applicable fees associated with the withdrawal. After reviewing, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You'll receive a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for any updates related to your transaction. The processing time for bank transfers may vary, so be patient. Once processed, your funds should appear in your bank account shortly. If you encounter any issues, contact Wix affiliate support for assistance. That's the simple process for withdrawing Wix affiliate commissions to your US bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.